Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to speak 4 different languages, including English. Just follow me. The first language is called Afaan Oromoo, the second language is Amharic, Chinese, and English. Today we will see about greeting and farewell part 1. From the part 1 we will see in English, hello. The word hello, when it is translated and used in Oromo, Afaan Oromo, it will be called hello, hello. Or if the place is a formal or the place is more formal occasion than like not much like others, we will use to say ashama, 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 ashama. In case of Chinese, we will use to say ni hao, ni hao. Chinese have 4 different and most popular tones. The first tone, the second tone, the third tone, and the fourth tone. Here in the word or in the character ni hao, we have both of them contains the third tone. When we read them, we will use to ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. When you speak with people, you can use like this, ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. It sounds good. And the fourth language is called Amharic, and in case of Amharic we will use to say salam, 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 salam. The other one is how to say good morning, how to say good morning. Good morning, in case of Afaan Oromoo, we can use to say akkam bulte, akkam bulte, akkam bulte. If the person is singular or if he is just single person or if he is friend, akkam bulte, akkam bulte. If there is a lot of people gathered together, we can say akkam bultan, or if we want to express our greeting for respect, we can say akkam bultan, akkam bultan, for to express a respectful way of expression, akkam bultan. In case of Chinese, we can say zao shan hao, zao shan hao. Zao contains the third tone, shan no sound tone, and hao contains the third tone. So when we speak in Chinese, good morning will be zao shan hao, zao shan hao, zao shan hao. In case of Amharic, we can say indemen adark if the person is male. If she is a female, just like that, we can say indemen adarsh, indemen adarsh, indemen adarsh. To express respect, we can say indemen adarachu, or if there is a lot of people gathered together, we can just simply say indemen adarachu, indemen adarachu, indemen adarachu. So it sounds good. I hope you are really feeling it. Okay. Good afternoon. This is our third tone. Good afternoon. Our third tone. Good afternoon. When good afternoon is translated into Afaan Oromoo, we can use to say akkam olte, akkam olte, akkam olte, akkam olte, akkam oltan. If a lot of people, or to show respect, we can say akkam oltan, akkam oltan, akkam oltan, akkam oltan. Nagaa jirtu, fayyaadha. Like this, we can say in Afaan Oromoo akkam ooltan, akkam ooltan, akkam ooltan, akkam ooltan. Say Oromoo yoo woman jo na yong akkam oolte. Rogo yo eager da ha. Rogo yo 很多人或者我们就想尊重一些内容akkam ooltan 就可以了。在奥罗摩语里面，很多奥罗摩人也就用这样的。在英文、中文里面呢，在中文里面，我们能说什么 ？In case of Chinese, we can use to say "Good afternoon" will be translated into 下午好，下午好，下午好。下午好。As I told you just in this tutorial, 下 contains the fourth tone. 下 Its sound is really very strong than others. 五 and 好 contains the third tone. 下午好。下午好. When you meet with Chinese friend or someone who can speak Chinese, you can just say 下午好，下午好，下午好. It sounds good. In case of Amharic, we can use to say the word good afternoon will be translated to እንደምን ዋልክ, እንደምን ዋልክ. If the gender for the person is he will be male, we can say እንደምን ዋልክ. If not, we can say እንደምን ዋልሽ. If we want to show some respect, or if a lot of people gather together, we can say እንደምን ዋላችሁ, እንደምን ዋላችሁ, እንደምን ናችሁ. Like this, we can speak it. No matter, don't worry about learning language. It's just easy. You can learn it a lot. The fourth one is good evening. Good evening. Good evening will be translated in Afaan Oromoo halkan gaarii. Halkan gaarii. Halkan means evening. Gaarii means good. Gaarii means good. Say Oromoo limeen halkan joshi. Good evening and gaarii joshi. Good. 所以这就在一起的时候 halkan gaarii. በኦሮምኛ ውስጥ ማለት ነው። በኦሮምኛ ውስጥ ጉድ ኢቭኒንግ የሚለውን ቃል ዳይሬክት ወደ ኦሮምኛ መቀየር ወይም ደግሞ ከጓደኞች ጋር ጉድ ኢቭኒንግ ለመባባል ከፈለጋችሁ ዳይሬክትሊ halkan gaarii ካላችሁ መልካም በቃ አለቀ። እንደዚህ ነው። ይሄኛው halkan gaarii ወደ ቻይንኛ ሲቀየር ደግሞ good evening when it is translated to Chinese, it will be 晚上好. Here you have to differentiate two things. When we speak about 早上好, 早 contains the third tone, however 上 no tone. But in case of 晚上好, we have the third tone for 上. 晚上好. When we translate this into Amharic, it will be መልካም ምሽት. I hope you got it, this one also. The last one will be I'm really happy to meet you and teach you for different language. So nice to meet you, to say like this, okay? Nice to meet you. To say nice to meet you in Afaan Oromoo, we can say bagan si bare. 在Oromoo我们就用Pagasimbare，就是 Nice to meet you，Nice to meet you， Pagasimbare，Pagasimbare，Pagasimbare，Pagasimbare。Si baruun natti toleeraa jechuudha. Anteem በመተዋወቄ ደስ ብሎኛል. Baga simbare. Baga simbare. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. In Chinese, what will be in Chinese? 很高兴认识你. 很高兴认识你. Han, the third tone. Han, the third tone. 高兴, the first tone, the fourth tone. Gao, the first tone. Sing, the third tone. 认识, 认识, 认识. Ren, Joshi, the fourth tone. She, no sound tone. Ni, the third tone. Like this, 很高兴认识你, 很高兴认识你. Or you can say, 认识你很高兴，认识你很高兴，认识你很高兴，很高兴认识你 or 认识你很高兴 both of them are completely correct no matter. Don't worry, okay? You can carry this one too. In case of Amharic, what will you say? We will use to say like this. አንተም በመተዋወቄ ደስ ብሎኛል. እናንተም በመተዋወቄ ደስ ብሎኛል. እርሶም በመተዋወቄ ደስ ብሎኛል ማለት ነው. Like this. አንተን በመተዋወቄ ደስ ብሎኛል. አንተን በመተዋወቄ ደስ ብሎኛል. If that person is male or sometimes is also good. For female like this, አንቺን በመተዋወቄ ደስ ብሎኛል. አንቺን በመተዋወቄ ደስ ብሎኛል. If you are really interested on my tutorials, don't worry, I will post and I will create a lot of tutorials for learning a language. Don't hesitate to subscribe my channel. Don't hesitate to share, like. Don't hesitate to ask me any kind of question concerning about my tutorials, and I will see you on the next part of my tutorial. Thank you very much. Keep it up. Steady more, okay?